Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have PowerPoint installed and signed in. Now begin. First, grant storage and photos access so you can import images, and enable iCloud if you want automatic sync. Open the app and choose an existing file, or tap the plus sign to create a new presentation. Pick a template for structure or start blank to control every slide. Once done, name the file at the top, and make sure autosave is on so your edits persist while you move into editing. Now, edit content directly. Tap a text box to type and use the format bar for font, size, and color to keep hierarchy clear. Insert images, video, or shapes using the plus menu, pinch to resize, and drag to position precisely. If you have many slides, use master slides for consistent headers and footers. This saves time and prevents layout drift. Once content is placed, add transitions and animations sparingly for clarity, and preview playback to make sure timing feels natural. Finish by checking layout, notes, and timings. Export or share from the Share menu, choose PDF for fixed layout or PPTX to retain editability, and pick file quality for images. You can present using AirPlay, Nearby Share, or send via Teams or email. Test playback on the presentation device to confirm fonts and media work. If something breaks, restart the app, confirm storage and photos permissions, and re-import any problematic media. This resolves most sync or playback errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.